So first thing, as always, first step, you're gonna have to remove the full screen that you have in your Okna Casement window, and it's pretty much easy to remove. I have another video, I'm gonna put it into the link below how to do it to remove the screen. But basically you unlock these pins right here, one by one, and your screen is removed. So once you removed your screen, now you have full access to the glass of your window. So let's see, we can do it first, the inside of your window, basically with the windex and paper towel, as always, nothing new in this world. The whole glass is going to be nice and clean, so you did the inside. And what's good about Okna Casement Windows, that it's extremely easy to clean the outside of the window, and you can do it from the comfort of your home, so you don't have to have a ladder or anything like that. So to do that, unlock the window, unlock this lock, tilt out the beautiful handle right here, and open the window. So with Okna Windows you can open it to the 90 degrees. Basically you can see that now the window is open, and you wash it with your hand, all the whole window, the whole glass on the outside, without any problems. What a time to be alive, ladies and gentlemen. You can use your right hand if you're right-handed like me, or left hand, and that's it. So once you cleaned it, that's it. Nice job. Close the window. So basically so easy, you just tilt it, close it in, lock the window like that, push the handle back, and that's it. So after you clean the window, we are almost there, but not yet. Don't forget about the screen of the window. So let's get the screen of the window and put it back as well. Just make sure that you do it again. I have a link below. I'm gonna put the link below how to do it, to remove the screen, full screen encasement, and put it back. So that's it. Now it's all done, and window is good as new. Nice job, we did it, my friends. So hope you like the video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.